The SWIFT payment system is the backbone of secure international transfers across banks globally. It connects over 11,000 institutions through a reliable network, enabling seamless fund movement. In this SWIFT payment system tutorial, let's understand how a transfer actually happens. When you initiate a SWIFT transfer, your bank doesn't directly connect to the beneficiary's bank. Instead, multiple correspondent banks act as intermediaries, passing the payment along the chain until it reaches the final destination. Each bank involved may charge a fee. Charges are deducted based on the payment instruction, SHA, shared, our, sender bears charges, or BEN, beneficiary bears charges. If not specified properly, the transfer amount can be reduced at every step, creating unexpected deductions for the receiver. Different SWIFT message types are used depending on the purpose. MT-103 for customer transfers, Montana 202 for financial institution transfers, and MT-940 for account statements. Each code ensures the correct format and flow of information between banks. So, what is SWIFT banking? Simply put, it's the ability to send and receive funds globally using the SWIFT messaging network with high security and tracking capabilities. It's not a money movement system, but a communication channel instructing the movement of money. Now let's talk about the top 5 easiest methods for transferring funds through SWIFT Direct Transfer through your bank's online portal. Most major banks offer online SWIFT transfer services, using Forex service providers like Wise, formerly TransferWise, and Western Union for faster processing. Through correspondent bank tie-ups, using banks with strong correspondent relationships reduces middlemen charges. Private banks' international desks. They have specialized desks for faster and more secure SWIFT transfers. Corporate banking platforms, designed for businesses making regular international transfers, ensuring bulk transfer facilities at lower costs. Always remember, checking the intermediary banks involved and the fee-sharing option selected can save you from unexpected deductions during your international transfer.